To create DigitalOcean Droplet backups, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account and navigating to the Droplets page. Here you will see a list of all your existing droplets. Identify the droplet you want to back up and click on its name to access its details page. On the Droplet Details page, click on the Snapshots tab. Snapshots are a point-in-time copy of your droplet and can be used to create a backup or duplicate of your droplet. Click the Take Snapshot button to create a new snapshot of your droplet. You will be prompted to enter a name for the snapshot, which can be used to identify it later. It is a good practice to include the date and time in the snapshot name, so you can easily identify when the snapshot was taken. Once you have entered a name for the snapshot, click the Take Snapshot button to start the snapshot process. This may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the size of your droplet. While the snapshot is being taken, you can monitor its progress on the Snapshots tab. Once the snapshot has been completed, it will be listed on the Snapshots tab, along with any other snapshots you have taken. You can use these snapshots to create a new droplet, or to restore your existing droplet to a previous state. In addition to taking snapshots, you can also enable automatic backups for your droplet. To do this, navigate to the Settings tab on the Droplet Details page, and click on the Backups tab. Here you can enable weekly backups, which will automatically take a snapshot of your droplet every week. It is recommended to enable automatic backups, so you can ensure that your droplet is regularly backed up, without having to take manual snapshots. By following these steps, you can create DigitalOcean Droplet backups, and ensure that your data is safe and can be easily recovered in case of an emergency.